Tired of messy OneDrive albums you can't delete? Watch this. I'll show you the exact 3 clicks to remove any album instantly. No more digging through menus, no more frustration. Just a clean, organized OneDrive in seconds. So here's the plan. First, we'll navigate to your files. Then select the album and hit delete. I'll walk you through everything step by step with clear screenshots so you never get lost. Let's get started. All right, let's begin. Open up OneDrive in your browser. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called My Files. Go ahead and click that. This is the main view where all your folders and albums live. It's the same place you go to find any file you've stored. And here's the thing. This is the starting point for every cleanup you'll do. Now, find the album you want to delete. This is the part most people get stuck on. You have to actually select the album first before the delete option shows up. Look for a little circle right next to the album's name or thumbnail. Go ahead and click that circle. You'll see it fill in with a check mark. That's how OneDrive knows which album you want to work with. It's a small step, but it makes all the difference. With the album now selected, look up toward the top of the screen. You'll see a toolbar appear with different options. One of them is a button that says Delete. It might have a little trash can icon next to it. Click that button. This is the first delete click. Now, don't worry, this doesn't delete anything permanently just yet. OneDrive is smart enough to ask you if you're sure first. A confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. It'll say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this album?" And there will be a button that also says Delete. Click that button to confirm. That's the second delete click. And just like that, the album disappears from your files. It's really that simple. 3 clicks total. Now, let's double check that everything worked properly. Scroll through your files and look for that album. You should see it's completely gone from the list. If you have a lot of albums, you can try searching for its name just to be sure. And if it's not there, great. You've successfully cleaned up your storage. But what if you accidentally deleted the wrong album? Don't panic. OneDrive has a recycle bin for exactly this situation. Look on the left sidebar again, this time all the way at the bottom. You'll see an option called Recycle Bin. Click that. You'll find your deleted album sitting there. Just click the circle next to it, then click Restore. It'll go right back to where it was before. So you're never really stuck. Now, here's a quick tip to keep your OneDrive tidy going forward. After you delete an album, you might notice the folder that contained it is now empty. Those empty folders can clutter things up. So take a second to check if there are any folders with nothing in them. You can delete those the same way. Select the circle, click Delete, confirm. It keeps everything crisp and organized. And that's it. You've gone from frustrated with a messy OneDrive full of unwanted albums to confidently cleaning up and organizing your storage in just a few clicks. Next time you need to delete an album, you'll know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.